Hey everyone, a quick video for y'all. So we covered this in one of our interface videos, the second video that we did in this fundamental series, and wanted to show you all how we can actually modify the quick access toolbar here in the top left. So you can see out of the box, you'll probably have the same options as me. You have autosave, save, redo, and undo. But if you go ahead and click on this little drop-down arrow, you can actually add and remove options as well. So you can see these are some of the different options. So you have like an email shortcut here, quick print, spelling, sorting, and some other ones as well. So if you want to go ahead and remove something, just click the option that has the checkmark next to it. So if I remove that, you see save is gone. And if I want to go ahead and add it back, I just need to click it and you see it'll add the checkmark back. So that's a quick way that you guys can actually modify the quick access toolbar here in the top left. And if you want to actually hide those options, you can come over here and click on this little drop down, the ribbon display options, and then you can actually remove it here as well. So you can actually click on the hide quick access toolbar. You can see they're now gone. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but you can if you would like to. And if you want to add it back, just go back here to the drop down, click on show quick access toolbar, and they're back.